Tuesday night going to be a lot quieter overnight than it was Monday night, but we are concerned about a fire weather watch in effect for tomorrow, and that's because the south winds return in earnest. We're going to have some gusty winds tomorrow that are going to climb close to 30 miles an hour at times. In addition to that, we also have some very dry relative humidity that will come into the picture during the day tomorrow. Starting off in the morning, the relative humidity is not bad, but as we go into the afternoon, that's when the relative humidity starts to drop all the way to around 30%. So the combination of gusty winds and dry air could result in some grass fires, and they could spread quickly. 28 in Bartlesville tonight, 35 at Muskogee. Forecast for tomorrow. Temperatures quickly climbing into the 60s with some sunshine and clouds. South winds gusting up to around 25 to even 35 miles an hour.